What's going on, my YouTube family? You're here with Skipper Drones, and I'm here today to do a quick mail call. I apologize that I haven't been posting a lot of content, but I have been working so many hours non-stop. But it is about to slow down, though. It's really about to slow down for me. But the one good thing coming out of this, when I start back really posting videos, I'm gonna have a lot of good content coming you guys' way. I got some more stuff in. If you see my last video, you seen the Nadetzky 5.5 inch Quinn and the build on it. I'm also working on getting another camera so it can focus in and I can do my build step by step. I've been doing a little research on different cameras that I want to try to get. I see a couple I got in mind that I want to get. But you guys, I apologize and I missed the fam. And it's about to slow down. And like I say, it's about to be a lot of good content coming you guys' way. A lot. So with that said, let's get to the mail call. Alright, the first thing here we got, let's see, this is for the Nadetzky Quinn. I ordered another top plate. So this is for the Quinn top plate. The last drone build I did. I'll show you guys that in a second. It came out pretty nice. That was like the second build. The first one, my dog ate it. But that was a nice flyer too, and that was also in the Nadetzky. That was the Nadetzky 5.5 Coon. One thing I have found out about Nadetzky is they make some solid, nice frames. If you get the right flight controller ESC to put in them, you got a bad quad. Alright, so we have here here. Let me get it together here. Alright. To me, these are some pretty good boards here. This is the CL Racing 4S flight controller. Comes with the soft, it's soft mounted, and it comes with the cable to hook to the ESCs, so you can get your for the motors and current sensing. So but I use this in the Nadetzky Coon, and this is a nice flight controller, so I ordered another one of those. I also have here the Dow RC flight controller. It's the F405 AIO. So I have two flight controllers on the order. I got to get some ESCs. I also got here is the Speedy B Bluetooth USB adapter. So this is like when I'm in the field, I can get into beta flight and change my PIDs, and same thing you can do on a laptop, you pretty much can do with this in the field. So all you got to do is download the app to the phone. It comes with a XT60 connector, so that's cool. Yes, like I said, you guys, it's gonna be a lot of good content coming. It's getting to that slow down period for me. But this summer has been woo. I'm telling you. I thank you guys for watching my videos still and sharing and commenting. I appreciate that so much. And I am going to try my best. I think that's the next thing I do before I do this build. If you follow my, I got a couple videos on this boat I rebuilt from scratch. I haven't named it yet, but on those 2 videos, everybody posted in the comments. So I'm going to go back to those 2 videos and I'm going to pick a name for I haven't picked a name for it yet, but that is what I'm about to do. I'm about to bring it out and try to get in the water before it get cold outside. So hopefully in the next couple of days, this weekend, I'll probably get it out and I'm gonna work on it real tough. See what I can do. I rebuilt the motor in it, and the motor it still was messing up. So I ordered another motor, so I upgraded. It had a 26cc in it, but now it has a 30cc in it. So that'll be my next video coming up. I ain't gonna keep on talking about it. I'm gonna have that on my next video coming up real soon. Real soon. I'm gonna try to get that in the water before it's been too long. I'm gonna try to get that in the water before it get cold outside, because it's coming. Alright, now we got the iFlight Type T 5.8 2.5 dBi with the MMCX connector on it. They super mini, lightweight. So we're gonna be testing these out. I mean, they seem kind of doable. Yeah, so we're gonna be testing these here out. So that's gonna be good. They seem like, and if they give you good range and no breakup too much, that's pretty good. Alright, let's do this. Let's keep on moving here. We got, this is another frame by the Ditsy here. This is a 5-inch. It is the AX215. So yeah, this is another build I'm have coming from the Ditsy. This is the 5-inch Ditsy frame. Alright, we also got here. We ordered some Cyclone T55s 44Cs. These are here for the 5.5 bill, the Coon and the Quinn. Yeah, I'm gonna have those. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of content. And this is the Quinn, and then the Ditsy Quinn 5.5. I got on here now, these are Luminaire 5.5.3 butter cutters. So yeah, they kind of like, I don't know, they like flimsy compared to these Cyclones. Like they can bend easy, but we'll see. We're gonna see real soon. But yeah, these are the Cyclones here. So we're gonna be trying them out with both. And I am gonna be rebuilding the Ditsy 5.5 Coon. is also iFlight antenna. These are the stubbies. So yeah, so we're gonna have a couple of testing projects going on. These are the stubby iFlights antenna. So yeah, it's gonna be nice. Alright you guys, I'm about to let you go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. And if you haven't hit that like button, hit it and leave a comment for me below, please. That helps me out a lot. And I appreciate you guys. And I have been missing you all. And I'm coming back real soon with a lot more content. I know I said it before, but yeah, it's time to slow down. It's Skipper Drones, and I'm out.